Do you feel pain?
Yes, in my chest.
Any allergies to medicine?
No, I have none.
Do you take pills?
Yes, every morning.
Do you need shots?
Yes, flu shot please.
How is your diet?
Mostly fruits, vegetables.
Any family health issues?
Yes, heart problems.
Do you smoke daily?
No, I never smoke.
Do you exercise often?
Yes, 3 times weekly.
Do you feel dizzy?
Yes, sometimes at night.
Do you sleep well?
No, only few hours.
Do you have aspirin?
Yes, it's right here.
Any cold medicine available?
Yes, many over there.
Can I buy vitamins?
Yes, we sell them.
Do you need prescription?
Yes, for this one.
Do you sell masks?
Yes, a pack here.
Do you have bandages?
Yes, in first aisle.
Any headache tablets here?
Yes, many different brands.
Do you sell insulin?
Yes, with prescription only.
Do you take insurance?
Yes, most insurances accepted.
Are flu shots available?
Yes, in the back.
How to open account?
Fill form and sign.
Can I withdraw cash?
Yes, from that machine.
Do you need ID?
Yes, photo ID required.
Can I deposit checks?
Yes, through ATM too.
Do you charge fees?
Yes, for some services.
What's account minimum?
Only $25.
Can I send money?
Yes, wire transfer here.
Is ATM working now?
Yes, it's available.
Can I get card?
Yes, debit card free.
Do you offer loans?
Yes, with application.
Where to apply jobs?
Online company website.
Do you need resume?
Yes, a short one.
Can I apply here?
Yes, applications open.
Any full-time jobs available?
Yes, cashier and clerk.
Do you need references?
Yes, at least 2.
Where is job fair?
At city center.
Do you hire students?
Yes, part-time work.
Any weekend jobs available?
Yes, we need staff.
Can I email resume?
Yes, send it today.
Do you give training?
Yes, 1 week training.
Where is fresh bread?
In the bakery.
Do you sell milk?
Yes, in aisle 2.
Any fruits on sale?
Yes, apples and oranges.
Do you have eggs?
Yes, a dozen pack.
Where is frozen food?
In the back.
Do you sell rice?
Yes, different brands.
Any fresh fish today?
Yes, salmon and tuna.
Do you accept coupons?
Yes, we accept them.
Where is peanut butter?
Aisle 5, middle shelf.
Do you have coffee?
Yes, many choices.
Where is check-in desk?
Right over there.
Do you have passport?
Yes, here it is.
Any flights to Chicago?
Yes, at 7.
Where is security check?
Down that hallway.
Do you have luggage?
Yes, 2 suitcases.
Can I carry snacks?
Yes, small pack only.
Where is boarding gate?
Gate number 20.
Do you need ticket?
Yes, printed copy please.
Any flight delay today?
Yes, 1 hour late.
Where is baggage claim?
On first floor.
What is your emergency?
Someone broke in.
Where do you live?
At Pine Street.
Do you need ambulance?
Yes, right away please.
Did you see suspect?
Yes, tall man.
What's your phone number?
It's 555-2031.
Do you feel safe?
No, not at all.
Any injuries right now?
Yes, small cut.
Can you describe car?
Yes, black sedan.
Do you need police?
Yes, please send now.
Where are you standing?
Near gas station.
Do you have library card?
Yes, here it is.
Where is fiction section?
Upstairs, left side.
Can I borrow books?
Yes, for 2 weeks.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, free for all.
Any study rooms available?
Yes, second floor.
Do you print papers?
Yes, small fee only.
Where is children's area?
On the right.
Do you have magazines?
Yes, current issues available.
Can I renew books?
Yes, online or here.
Where is help desk?
In the center.
How much is rent?
$1,200 monthly.
Is water bill included?
Yes, water and trash.
Do you allow pets?
Yes, small dogs only.
Is parking available here?
Yes, 1 free spot.
How big is apartment?
2 bedrooms total.
Do you need deposit?
Yes, 1 month deposit.
Is laundry inside unit?
Yes, washer and dryer.
Any lease agreement required?
Yes, for 12 months.
Can I visit today?
Yes, after 5 p.m.
Is neighborhood safe here?
Yes, very family friendly.
Do you celebrate Christmas?
Yes, with family.
Do you decorate tree?
Yes, every December.
Do you give gifts?
Yes, on Christmas Eve.
Do you cook turkey?
Yes, on Thanksgiving Day.
Any family dinner planned?
Yes, this Thursday.
Do you travel holidays?
Yes, visit parents.
Do kids get presents?
Yes, lots of toys.
Do you watch parade?
Yes, Macy's parade.
Do you bake pies?
Yes, apple and pumpkin.
Do you hang lights?
Yes, outside house.
Where do you live?
Next door, apartment 2.
Do you have kids?
Yes, 2 boys.
Can I borrow ladder?
Yes, take it.
Do you like barbecue?
Yes, love grilled food.
Any parties this weekend?
Yes, on Saturday night.
Do you need help?
Yes, with groceries.
How long here?
3 years now.
Do you have pets?
Yes, one small dog.
Can you watch mail?
Yes, no problem.
Do you like garden?
Yes, love planting flowers.
Do you want pizza?
Yes, pepperoni please.
Which app you use?
DoorDash is good.
Do you need drinks?
Yes, 2 sodas.
Any burgers available now?
Yes, cheeseburgers ready.
Do you want fries?
Yes, large size.
Is delivery free now?
Yes, for orders $20.
Do you accept card?
Yes, online payment.
How long delivery takes?
About 30 minutes.
Do you want dessert?
Yes, chocolate cake.
Any discounts today?
Yes, $5 off.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm John.
Why want this job?
For career growth.
Any work experience before?
Yes, 3 years.
Can you work weekends?
Yes, no problem.
Do you have skills?
Yes, communication skills.
Can you use computer?
Yes, very well.
Any questions for us?
Yes, about benefits.
Can you work overtime?
Yes, if needed.
What is your strength?
Teamwork and dedication.
What is your weakness?
Perfectionist sometimes.
Do you have receipt?
Yes, right here.
When did you buy?
Last Friday morning.
Why return this item?
Wrong size received.
Do you want refund?
Yes, full refund.
Can I exchange product?
Yes, same price.
Do you need bag?
No, it's okay.
Did you use item?
No, still new.
Any damage on box?
No, box is fine.
Do you want credit?
Yes, store credit.
When refund takes place?
Within 3 days.
How can I help?
My order delayed.
Do you need refund?
Yes, please refund.
What's your account number?
4512-3390-77.
Do you need technician?
Yes, for internet.
Any issues with phone?
Yes, call drops often.
Can I reset password?
Yes, please help.
Do you need upgrade?
Yes, faster plan.
What's your email ID?
John@gmail.com.
Do you need callback?
Yes, tomorrow morning.
Are you satisfied today?
Yes, thank you.